Well, good morning to you from rural Maryland. This is Doug Deist with Sign Tracker, and we're here this morning on this rather brisk 26-degree day to introduce you and describe to you a post and stake system. What we're faced with today, pardon my shaky hand because it is cold, we're faced with rather tight circumstances to get the post put in. We've got beds here that are frozen. And not to mention something that the homeowner would probably really not enjoy very much if we dug up. And then coupled with the fact that we do want to get out of here fast. These are the two components of Lewis's system. First being, of course, the stake. Second being the post. To describe the stake a little bit, it is a custom designed and custom manufactured stake that has two primary features. One, being heavy enough and rugged enough to get through the frozen earth, and we do have that out here too. And again, pardon my hands, it is cold this morning. The second thing is being sufficiently large and heavy as to maintain the post in an upright position. Now, most of the stakes that you will see agents use if they're putting in their own commercially or retail available signposts, it's a fraction of this. And you'll see them laying around the post or leaning and what have you. This does not lean. The second component is the post, and he's using a PVC post here. And what's nice about it, it's really quite light, easy to transport, doesn't corrode, doesn't rust, doesn't need to be painted. And what we're intending to do here is just time how long it takes me to actually put this post in the ground. All right, so I'll set my timer and we'll get started with that. Alrighty, to put our post in, we've got a couple of things here. We've got our persuader, we've got our ground stake, and I've got my timer. I figured what we do is just see how long it actually takes. So we're at 0 now. I'll start my timer. Going to identify the location we want. We can actually find any place that's not really directly on top of a plant, and just begin. Getting through that first couple inches of frozen. Now we're down to the soft. Stakes in. Grab our post. Done. Let's take a look at our timer. 42 seconds. What we can do here, let's take a quick look at the base of the post. It's beautiful. No soil plug, no disturbing the sod, no disturbing the plants all around. Great visibility, took us less than a minute. And since it's so cold now, I'm going to get back in the truck and go do the next one.